Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here for a flip through of our Rose and Bloom vintage book that we altered, and we used Vintage Studio 717's kit Miss Emery in it. So before we look at this book, I wanted to show you, I was so excited to make this that I only used the main kit, and the add-on kit is awesome, and I didn't even print it out, which was so crazy. So what I've done is I've printed it out. There were, I think, 4 pages, I want to say. And yes, and I printed these out just on plain old copy paper because I want to use them as collage in my collage pieces. So these are the, gosh, you can't see that very well on camera, it doesn't look like, but it's very faint pink flowers. This would be perfect for the back page, the back side of the page. So those are the 4, so I printed those out for myself. But what I'm going to do is I printed out the rest of the add-on kit, and I'm going to send that along with the journal. I got permission from Jessie to do that. So that whoever gets this journal can play with these gorgeous ephemera pieces. So I just want to show them to you quickly. Little journaling cards. It's a belly band. I love this ticket right here. So cool. And beautiful belly band. Look at that. Then this page has a bunch of fussy cut butterflies in a pocket, and then postcards and tag and such. 3 big tags, and then there's a couple of envelopes. There's this one. This is my favorite. I love this so much, Jessie. And then there's this envelope. And then the last page is a couple of pockets, a tag, and some tickets. So wanted to show you that. That was just a goofy move on my part, but I'm just going to send those along with the journal. So that'll be good. Okay, so I'm going to set those aside, and I'm going to move you in a bit so we can look at our journal. I have closed it with a little rose ribbon, and I love how sweet that looks. And then, you know, our bookmark kind of pops out the sides, and then you remember doing the spine. So we'll just look through it. I will tell you that this journal is going to be available tomorrow, 10 a.m., February 14th, 10 a.m. Mountain Time. And I will put it on then if you're interested at CinnamonT, and I'll have the link below. It's always on my website. You can contact me everywhere from my website, but I'll put a separate link for my shop too. So Miss Emery kit, and I don't know, I kind of think of that as being Miss Emery as I open the book, but we've got a little fabric cluster at the top there with a little button. This is one of the beautiful papers from the kit. There's avocado dyed, coffee dyed, all sorts of stuff in here. Here's one of the tags from the main kit. Yeah, you get more if you print off the add-on kit. Oh, I was such a goof. I don't know. I was just so excited to make this journal. So this is an altered paper clip that holds this embossed envelope on. In the embossed envelope, it says Country Garden on it. Some patterned coffee dyed paper, Edith Holden. And there's one of the postcards from the kit. And then this is just a napkin decoupaged on a book page and then backed with some straw paper to write on. And then this is the Rita Donnelly flip. And then this torn pocket here has this pretty little tag that was part of my 3 and 30 challenge for buttons. So that was fun. That's there. Gorgeous envelope. And I've just left it open. You could always glue that if you want, but it could be journaled on too. And then this belly band is from Romantica Arts. A little Medieval Mirage pocket here. I just kind of use a little bit of everything in this particular journal. This was my tag of the month from Piles of Paragraphs from my friend Lori, and that fit in there just nicely. The middle of the signature. And then this is Medieval Mirage again. This is a beautiful journal card that I got from my friend Anita. She's a crafty one on Etsy. And then this is just a little fabric tag that I made that we stuck in there. Little flip. This pretty lace was from Emily at Vintage Polka Dot Shop. And this is one of the pages from the end page of the book, and it flips out for more journaling space. This is the little Edith Holden flap. You could definitely attach something on there. There's plenty of room in here if you want to decorate with the extra ephemera that I've provided. And then there's this little pocket with this beautiful Carabelle stamp tag from Jen Bishop that I watercolored. That was fun. And some more avocado, and look at that beautiful design. Isn't that so pretty? Then second signature. This book has 3 signatures, by the way. Another one of the gorgeous papers, little doily. Medieval Mirage again. This is one of the tags from the kit that I just stamped a sentiment on. This was a piece that I made a while ago that is good and stuck on the, there we go, got it. It's a pocket with some fun things in the pocket. It's a flip here. This was one of my making ephemera pieces that I made following one that I got in Happy Mail. So there is that clipped on there. And then this side has a window envelope tag that we made into a tuck and put these 2 journaling cards. This one I made. This one's from Anita. Some pattern paper again, a little banner tuck with, this is napkin over music paper, and I just cut out the title from the title page. It's got one of my teeny tiny little receipt digitals. Edith Holden again, and once again we've got the flip, this time journaling card that I made, and then an altered playing card that I had from Happy Mail. This again is an illustration from the original book, and it flips out for more journaling space. Little pocket with a fabric cluster on here and a journaling card collaged on front and back. The journaling cards are. This is some dyed dictionary page. I'm pretty sure I got this from Carol Lane on Etsy, and then that's where our bookmark is living, is in the middle right there. So, and then this torn pocket, again, I made that in my ephemera series, and we just made a little first page of the book. We just made a journaling card out of that. This was a fun piece from the ephemera Making Ephemera series 2. Those are all in a playlist, by the way, on my channel if you're interested in going back and look at it, some of those ephemera ideas. It's like having your own idea journal, but it's a playlist on my channel. And there's more to come. I still have more to do on that, but just haven't gotten back to it. I've just been doing other things. Third signature now. And this was the title page of the book that we put on some cardstock and then just put this little journaling card in there. A little doily. This is kind of a library pocket type pocket with a journaling card, a collage journaling card again. Edith Holden with the flip. And we've got a journaling card that I made. And then we've also got, this is a postcard from the kit that we did in the button challenge. So that goes there. Belly band from Romantica Arts. Tag from the Miss Emery kit from Vintage Studio 717. Little medieval mirage on these two. And this one I believe is Crafty Cat, I think. And it's just collaged on both sides. It's a double journal card. So there's that one. And again, the flip out from the end paper. And then this pocket has one of the tags that I made at the Make and Take at Creativation. And I've just stuffed it full of fun little tags. And the big tag in there is one that's collaged. It's actually a pocket too. And so that goes down there. And then this little topper is something that I made in the Making Ephemera. And that was an idea I got in Happy Mail, the little tags there. This is both this tag, the main base of this tag, and this is Bird Waltz from Jen Bishop. Then a little collaged pocket again. This is from the kit. This is Miss Emery. This is the actual Miss Emery. The one at the front's an imposter. So, and then back here, we did this fun little piece on this big index card. We've got a pocket here and an index card that can be written on. Again, this is a Carabelle Studios stamp from Jen Bishop. Okay, so that is the journal. Again, it will be available on Friday, February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And I'm going to list it at 10 a.m. tomorrow, Mountain Time, on my Etsy CinnamonT. So there we go. That was our project. That was our little vintage book project. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.